Hey everyone! One of the most challenging parts of digital printing across all types of applications is the ability to match colors as accurately as possible. Cadlinks' Digital Factory family of RIPs now provide an amazing, easy-to-use solution by integrating with the NIX group of color measurement devices. In this video, I'll take you through the process of color matching in Digital Factory using the NIX Colour Sensor. We'll start by selecting our job in the queue that we want to color match. Next, click on the Job Color Replacement icon in the top right. This will bring up the Color Replacement dialog where you'll use the eyedropper tool to select the color you'd like to replace. Once you have the color information, use the NIX Colour Sensor to scan the color you want to match. With the NIX Pro Color Sensor app on your phone and the NIX Color Scanner, you'll be able to read the C-Lab color information of the color you want to match. Take these values and input them into the appropriate LAB measurement fields. Click Convert to set the lab color to the output color. Finally, click Add to add the color to the color replacements, and then click Apply. Now click on the Job Color Replacement preview icon to see the change. Here are printed samples of the job before and after the color replacement, showing how quick and easy it is to get an accurate color match. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you like what you saw, be sure to get subscribed so you don't miss any new tips or tricks from Cadlink Technology.